Welcome to Lesson 2 of the Business Operations Unit. In this unit, the key questions are: what is meant by flow production? When is it appropriate to use different methods of production? What are the pros and cons of flow production? These are the key terms. Read through them carefully. Production, flow production, lean production. As a business grows the scale of its operations, it often needs to change its method of production to allow greater production capacity. A small business might use job or batch production to provide a personalized or distinctive product. However, if the product is intended for much larger mass markets, then alternative methods of production may be required in order for the product to be produced efficiently. A key production method in these circumstances is flow production. Flow production involves a continuous movement of items through the production process. This means that when one task is finished, the next task must start immediately. Therefore, the time taken on each task must be the same. Flow production, also known as mass production, involves the use of production lines, such as in a car manufacturer, where doors, engines, bonnets and wheels are added to a chassis as it moves along the assembly line. It's appropriate when firms are looking to produce a high volume of similar items. Some of the big brand names that have consistently high demand are most suitable for this type of production. Task: pause the video. From the knowledge you've acquired so far on flow production, can you identify 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of this production method? Let's confirm some of the advantages of flow production. Flow production is capital intensive. This means it uses a high proportion of machinery in relation to workers, as is the case on an assembly line. The advantage of this is that a high number of products can roll off assembly lines at very low cost. This is because production can continue at night and over weekends. And also, firms can benefit from economies of scale, which should lower the cost per unit of production. The main disadvantage is that with so much machinery, it is very difficult to alter the production process. This makes production inflexible and means that all products have to be very similar or standardized and cannot be tailored to individual tastes. Another disadvantage of using flow production is that the work can be pretty boring for the employees involved. Keeping staff motivated is therefore an important issue for management. Task: pause the video. Why would flow production be useful in the chocolate industry? What is lean production? Lean production is an approach to management that focuses on cutting out waste whilst ensuring quality. This approach can be applied to all aspects of a business, from design through production to distribution. Lean production aims to cut costs by making the business more efficient and responsive to market needs. Task: pause the video. Can you give some examples of wastages that may occur in business? Lean production originated in the manufacturing plants of Japan, but has now been adopted well beyond large and sophisticated manufacturing activities. The lean approach to managing operations is really about doing the simple things well, doing things better, involving employees in the continuous process of improvement, and as a result, avoiding waste. The pioneering work of Toyota, a leader in lean production, identified different kinds of waste which can be applied to any business operation. These are the key aspects of lean production that you should be aware of, which we will cover in our next lesson. Just-in-time production, JIT, cell production, Kaizen, continuous improvement, quality improvement and management.